Picasso paint a perfect picture. You add detail to my vision, and that's why I'm brittle. No yelling when we talk, so we gon'...
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'll be sharing with you all a few cute hairstyles that you can do with your mini twists. In my previous video, I have shared with you how I accomplished this look, which I will put in a link so you can go ahead and watch that video if you haven't watched it already. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, so the space buns are by far my favorite look to do with mini twist. It is so diverse and you can do it with any style, no matter what outfit or whatever you're wearing. It goes so well with everything. The half up, half down look I feel is more relaxed and it gives me more of an everyday type of look, which I feel comfortable more so wearing this look to class or just when I am in some relaxed clothes, just chilling for the day. The high pony, I feel like it gives me more of an elegant look. It adds a little flavor to my outfits and also to my hair for that day. is more so my go-to hairstyle for when I need to work out, or if I'm just chilling or relaxing around the house and just need my hair out of the way. It's still cute and gives me some volume in my pony, and also pulls my hair out of the way so I still can do what I need to do. Okay, and the pigtails, I feel like they're fun. It's not a hairstyle that I get to wear often besides in my mini twist, so therefore I take advantage of throwing in some pigtails for something that's cute, that's fun, that brings you back to childhood a little bit, but it's also still cute and still appropriate for adults to wear. And last but definitely not least, the high bun. I wear my hair like this whenever I need my hair out of the way, but also still want something cute and fun to...
Winners.
I hope you all found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye!